Hello, and welcome to today's edition of Claravine Quickfinds, where we dive into the details of high-performing content supply chain. Today, our focus is on one of the fundamental pillars of this chain, data standards. My name is Travis, and I'm thrilled to host you through this Quickvine webinar. As a member of the Claravine sales engineering team, I have the privilege of working closely with our solutions across a broad customer base. In today's session, I'm excited to cover the content supply chain, what it means, and how to set yourself up for success leveraging the Data Standards Cloud, Claravine's flagship platform. I'll walk you through the role of data standards in optimizing your content strategy and ensuring consistency and accuracy across all touchpoints. Finally, we'll wrap up with a quick demo to showcase what implementing data standards with Claravine looks like in practice. Let's get started. Content supply chain is the process across the planning, production, delivery, and analysis of content. With Gen AI playing a major role in the creation of content, the need to have a connected process is key. Having a foundation of connected and standardized metadata is critical to that entire process. Claravine is that foundation. Claravine helps power the intelligent content supply chain by focusing on the holistic view. It works on the idea that one area feeds another, with the data ensuring accuracy, visibility, and therefore precision at every step of the way. The Data Standards Cloud provides a vehicle for governing your taxonomy, enforcing your data standards, and connecting your disparate data sets so that the creation and tracking of the underlying data is a core part of your process that not only feeds your data analytics team, but also your creative teams to reduce duplication of work, and your operations teams so that they know they are delivering the right content and experiences to your audiences. This slide is a visual representation of the template design of those connected data sets. You'll see that we have data related to campaigns, placements, ads, and creative assets. All these come together in a fully connected data set that also generates a tracking URL. Whether you use the Data Standards Cloud to generate your tracking URLs or not, we can still bring all this data together and send it to your analytics team either directly through Adobe Analytics or by sending it to your favorite cloud storage application. Let's take a look at what this might look like in Claravine. This demonstration will show how Claravine can support the intelligent content supply chain in many different spots. Let's take a look at the creative metadata first. In this flow, a new project is kicked off in Adobe Workfront. When an asset associated with that project is approved and produced, it's sent to Adobe Experience Manager. All the campaign details from Workfront are now available in Experience Manager as asset metadata. Details from the project can be sent from Workfront into the Claravine platform to power campaign setup. For example, Media Ops could use a Workfront reference number to power data in a campaign naming workflow. Alternatively, what if you have new metadata requirements for the assets you manage? You can import asset metadata directly from Experience Manager to review and validate. In this case, we see assets have a number of missing metadata fields. You can also hover over an asset to quickly find what you need. You can also filter your chosen data set and update that data. This can be pushed back to Experience Manager and downstream to Analytics. Now let's take a look at how this might fit into media operations. In this case, an ad ops team wants to standardize their media campaign data. They start by connecting their Google CM360 account to the Claravine platform. When media campaigns are created, data is imported into Claravine's platform to identify and correct errors. With Claravine AI, you can preview and add metadata to assets. Select a creative to search for similar assets in Experience Manager. Associate the asset from Experience Manager to the media campaign to enable a complete connected set of metadata. Any other additional campaign configurations can be resolved before the campaign goes live. Now let's feed that into Digital Analytics. Claravine's platform also gives control to data teams. they can customize how they want to receive metadata. Additionally, you can send directly into specific platforms like Adobe Analytics. This means clean, consistent metadata is immediately available in Adobe Analytics. The same dimensions can be used in internal marketing dashboards. And finally, data collaboration. What if something changes? For example, the ops team needs to add a new field for new ad format. Metadata can be added or removed to align to how and when data teams are ready to receive it. If you found this session to be useful and you're interested in exploring use cases within the content supply chain, please reach out to your customer success manager. We appreciate you taking the time and hope you enjoyed this edition of Claravine Quick Finds. See you next time.